Now, the next compression packing cube that we have is this one from Eagle Creek Packet. So with these compression packing cubes, this is my second pair that I've actually gotten. It comes in multiple, so we have a 3-pack right over here. So unlike the Aero Trunk version where you have 6 different ways to organize your clothes, this right here, you have 3 different ways. So of course you can buy another set of 3 and you would have 6. But what I appreciate about this one here is that I'm the person where I do appreciate when I like to aerate my clothes. So what I mean by that is if I were to place my clothes inside of here, there is an open mesh pocket where your clothes aren't just stuck within a sealed compression packing cube and, there's no air circulation going on. So with these Eagle Creek packing cubes, I do believe that these are just simple packing cubes, so they do lack the ability to kind of compress down, but at least they go ahead and allow you to see what's inside the packing cube. They allow 3 different ways to organize your clothes, and also makes it so that your clothes are able to quote unquote breathe as they're inside this packing cube. So a very simple packing cube. They do have handles up top. That's pretty much it though. Let's go ahead and move on to the next travel packing cube.